My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Toyota Prius. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 39,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights as well as voice control. And on the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access navigation, Bluetooth, radio, our setup, and our driving functions. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our drive mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.